In Corona POS, there are two main ways to balance your point of sale. Balance POS, which runs a single balance for the entire day to reconcile all cash in the drawer from open to close. And then there's Balance Cashier, where you have each cashier balance their own till at the end of their shift to track individual totals. This method also applies when only one cashier works a shift, since the drawer effectively functions as their own till. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Balance Cashier at the point of sale and how it generates a more precise balance statement organized by cashier or shift. First thing we'll need to do is go on the Corona Studio. We'll go to Settings, and then Button Configurations, and then double-click the button configuration you're using. We'll want to add a button to our number 3 tab here. So we can go here and hit this Edit button. I'm going to move some of these buttons down to make room for it. And we'll want to add this Balance Cashier button. Function. Balance Cashier, perfect. And now I'll make it a little bit bigger, and let's make it purple, I'm sure. All right, and then we'll save. One last thing we'll need to do before we move on to the point of sale for testing is we'll need to go down to Settings again, click POS Profiles, and then we'll need to open up the profile we're using. And then we'll scroll down, and in this section here, is an automatic end of day option. So we'll want to set this to well after we've closed. And the reason we want to do this is with this method using the balance cashiers, this will allow us to have an end of day statement still, while the balance cashier will be something a little bit separate. So we want to make sure to maintain these end of day statements because they are pretty useful and have some vital information in them. So having that automatic end of day firing every night will allow us to maintain that information. Now that we're at the point of sale, let's give it a quick test. I'll log in as my number 1 cashier, and we'll do a starting balance so he can start his shift. Put $200 in the cash drawer, hit total, hit cash so that we can add to the cash drawer. All right, so he is now ready to take any transactions. So let's do a transaction. We'll just add a quick red bowl to the receipt, select total, select cash, and now the cash drawer should have $206. So let's fast forward and say he's now balancing out for his shift. He's done for the day. So he's going to hit Balance Cashier and do 206 after he counts the cash drawer. Enter and apply. Looks like it accepted it and it's now logged him out. So if he were to try to log back in now, even though he already balanced for the day and tries to add an item to the receipt, it'll give him this error and say it's not possible to cash once the cash drawer balanced for the day. A daily closing must be executed before cashing is possible again. This essentially means that the end of day that we programmed earlier that fires off at 11 p.m. will need to do the end of day statement in order for him to log in again. So the system knows that his shift's over. He should not be logging back in and doing any other transactions while the day is continuing on. So if we were to log out and log in as number 2 cashier here, this cashier is free to do any transactions, but of course we might want to do that starting balance first. Last bit of info we want to share with you is where to find these cashier balances on the Corona Studio. You'll want to go to Sales, and if it isn't already present here, you'll want to add it with this pencil and paper. This balance statement section is what we're looking for. Hit View, and you'll see all of your cashier balances listed here and any pertinent information relating to them. Thank you for watching this Corona POS Help Center video. For more information, please visit the description below where you'll find a link to our online manual page with comprehensive information about our system's functions. You'll find the contact information for our support center, as well as other resources that will help you get the most out of your POS system.